welcome, oh, got hair in my face, to Vlogtober day 30. It is the penultimate day of Vlogtober. I went to a PT session as you just saw, and yeah, I felt good today. I felt quite strong, which was good, so pleased with that. Now I'm going to go to my LUSH massage, which I thought I was having yesterday, but it is actually today. I am so excited. It is gifted, by the way, but yeah, I am so excited. It's at their spa in Oxford Street, I think. So I've got to get myself there. This is my outfit today. Sorry about the terrible lighting. This room is like the most yellowy orangey room in the world. But I'm wearing my bike blazer, this old Levi's tee, combat trousers, which are also pretty old, and my tall DM Jadens with this like rainbow, what's the actual word? Patent, there we go, rainbow patent. I wear these less than I should. They come up high on the calf, so depending on what you wear them with, they can be a little bit unflattering, at least on me. I have to think of ways to wear them, but yeah, I like them with the combat boots. I mean, the combat trousers, definitely. So that's me, and I'm ready to go. What's this? But yeah, LUSH trying to make everything as waste-free for Christmas as possible.
Basically, we're sort of pioneering knot wraps as reusable gift packaging. So they're all made from either recycled plastic bottles,
really nice,
or organic cotton. They're super cute, super lovely. You can use them as scarves, neckerchiefs, little like head ties. They're adorable. But yeah, they're just completely reusable gift wrap, basically.
Yeah, I love it.
So you can fill up a little pulp tray, put whatever you want in there, wrap it up all pretty, and you don't actually end up using any paper.
Fab. Thank you. I'll pick that one up.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah, it's so nice.
They've got bubble powder inside.
Oh, amazing.
So you pour that into your bath first, give you loads of bubbles.
Yeah.
And then as the bath runs, once it's done, you just pop the bath bomb in.
Cool.
And you get sort of best of all worlds, basically.
Yeah.
They're super cute.
So cute. Aww.
It's like cardboard. You just pop the bath bombs in, and the train fits a little shower gel at the front as well.
Super cute.
So they're just like a quite cute, easy, sort of visible way to give a gift.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my god, they look amazing.
Hello. Yeah. These shower jellies.
Yeah.
These are quite familiar, but carrageenan extract and seaweed makes them a nice jelly.
Yeah.
Super soft on the skin, really great for dry skin.
Have a go. Get it in the sink.
Why not?
Best bit. I love those colours.
So
it's
pretty.
Like my favourite kind of colours.
It's got loads of silver glitter in there as well, so it's done super, super sparkly.
Oh yeah, I can kind of see it.
Of course, all the glitter's plastic free, as per.
Yeah.
It feels really nice on the skin.
Yeah, I was going to say it must be like a bit more.
It's quite luxurious feeling. It's very, very
moisturising.
soft.
Oh, it's really pretty.
You can see all that glitter, and it's got a bit of sea salt as well, so it'll be nice and relaxing on the muscles.
Yeah, nice.
Have that sort of like physically relaxing effect. Just pleasantly.
Yeah, it's cute.
It's based off an actual Bible quiz.
Oh really? Yeah. Apparently this one's the glittery.
It's so pretty. It's the blue just immediately
Yeah, I like the
goes
blue.
like ink. And then the gold's a bit more slow fizzing, so it will take its time. And then you'll eventually end up with just like a really gorgeous sort of green sparkly bar. They're really nice.
There it comes.
So I feel like a lot of them have this kind of inky effect in the water.
It's got little like stars in as well.
Yeah, those are made of seaweed.
Oh, nice.
So they've got that same really lovely glitter in them. You've got the little stars as well.
Yeah, I love the little stars. So cute.
It's not helping that the water's cold. It's still slow. Yeah, this is the thing. This one, if you want a nice long bath, it'll proper like fizz for that whole time.
This one's quite beautiful over here. Still going.
This is scented like the products they're named after.
Oh, nice.
Which is quite cute. The product isn't, so you don't have to worry about like having
Fragrance
loads of smells on your face.
Yeah.
And that sort of a pleasantness. But the wax is scented, like on like dark skin tones especially as a highlight.
Yeah.
Really, really gorgeous. Eyes as well. So you can use these anywhere really.
Yeah, no, they're really nice.
So different, right?
That's cool. Love that.
Yeah, it's cute. I see this at the spa.
It smells amazing.
So in our lovely copper neti pots here, we have the Calmer oil. So it's cocoa butter and shea butter melted down, so it's going to stay nice and warm during the treatment today. But it also has these signature calmer fragrances. So patchouli, so it's really nice and cleansing, a lemmy pine, so it's nice and uplifting, and sweet wild orange oil to really kick in those serotonin levels. Something you may not have seen before is our little calmer press. This is unique to the treatment. In here is talc, which gives it that wonderful squishy like kind of consistency. There's also the same powdered calmer fragrances with a little bit of added lemongrass, with a bit of energy. And what we do with this is just place it on the lower back at the start of the treatment. It's kept nice and warm, and I'll just be pressing it against your chakra points. The idea being kind of helps to loosen the energy wells, the energy flow nice and freely throughout the body. And last but not least, our calmer yantra ballistic. And I'm not going to tell you what this is for. There's a little bit of magic at the end of your treatment today. Okay.
Just finished up with my treatment, you guys, and it was amazing. Very transportive. I'll tell you guys more about it in a bit. But, feeling great. Maggie is really hungover, you guys. So something tells me we're not going to do the house today.
You can do it on your own.
I'm not doing it on my own. Hi, my love. So, I am back. As you saw, what did I last update you guys? Can't remember. Oh yeah, exactly, really hungover. We ate some lunch. It's now dark. I mean, that was quite a while ago. Ate some late lunch. Watched The Affair. We watched, I think it was on last night. We watched the latest episode of that. I'm really enjoying it. I don't know. What a strange program. Like, it started off fairly like normal, average program looking at a man who has an affair, sort of crime drama-y, and it's really turned into like quite political. And I'm enjoying it a lot. It's always been good, by the way. It's always been good. Right, my camera died. But yeah, it's not always had the wider consequences angle, which I'm really enjoying. But anyway, I'm going to show you the bits I picked up in Lush because they're super festive, and I know that we've got a couple days to go, although this is going up on Halloween, to be fair. So really just one day to go for you guys, a couple days to go until we can truly get Christmassy once Halloween is over. That's like my benchmark. I know it's still too early for a lot of people, but that is my benchmark. But anyway, I'm going to show you the bits that Lush kindly gifted me whilst I was in there, in one of their new Christmas kind of wrapping alternative things, because they're trying to be a bit more waste free for Christmas. I don't know how much you guys will have gleaned from what the lovely person was saying in Lush. I don't know if it was too loud in there. So like, you can go into their Oxford Street store. Don't know if it's in lots of stores. It must be in more than just the Oxford Street one, but you can go in there and you can just make up your own little gift baskets, and it's all recycled and all the textiles are recycled in various different ways. So yes, so this is my, so to be fair, the lovely person who took me round today, pretty much everything they picked up and touched, I was like immediately sold as soon as they talked me through it. So I pretty much have got a lot of stuff that you probably already saw a bit earlier. But anyway, I got two of the highlighters. I actually have a couple of these, but I specifically got these ones mostly for the eyes because I just loved them. It was like the gold one and the like a silvery one, and I just think for Christmas they're going to be so nice on the eyes, just like a little wash of colour. I think there must be fireworks again because she's come out to see me. Hi, gorgeous. Are you sad? Are you sad? Just be glad. I love you. I'm kind of in the middle of something, okay? I got a massage bar, which I think I have had one of these before, and I actually really liked it. And basically, you just rub it into the skin. It's really nice and moisturising, and it's basically just a nice alternative to using a moisturiser without all the bulky packaging and stuff, which is great. I don't actually know what each of these are called, but I will write them down below. I got a Chris the Camel, which is the one with the little stars in it that you guys saw in the sink. This one smells, I feel like when I get the Christmassy ones, I always stick to the scents that I know and love from Lush, which are like the citrusy smells and the light fresh smells, and I never really get anything with like a proper Christmas scent to it. And this one has a really lovely like spicy, it smells of a tea I used to get at Christmas. like a spicy, proper Christmassy scent, like cloves and cinnamon and all that good stuff. So anyway, I might be wrong about what's in it, but I will leave a link. I know that this one's called Kiss the Camel though. That one, I got this one, which I was so intrigued by. Obviously it's like a little piece of holly on the top there, but basically you take off the top and there's loads of bubble mixture or something inside. I can't remember what they called it. And this one smells a bit more typically Lush for me, like a bit fresher and it's more citrusy, and it smells amazing, and it's obviously got silver shimmer everywhere. And yeah, so you pour in the dust and then you put in the rest of it, which I think is like a bath bomb type thing. And you can use it more than once, like you can just use the dust on its own, I think. I got this one, which again is another cinnamony one. I can't remember if this one's actually a festive one specifically, but obviously it's like a little flame, so it's quite nice, but it smells very festive, this one. Again, I have no idea, I don't have the labels on them, which is good because it's less packaging, but I am not able to tell you what's in them. I got the candy cane, which is really cute. I just love this one because it just looks so cute, and it smells amazing as well. It smells like almost appley, this one, which I love. And then the other one that we tried in the sink, I got this one again. I cannot remember its name, but it smells amazing and it looked so beautiful in the bath as well. So that is my wee haul. So thank you so much, Lush, for having me today. I am now overloaded with Lush goodies because I obviously bought some the other day myself. Got some Halloweeny ones and some normal ones as well. I've got a couple of Karmas I haven't used. Speaking of Karma, my treatment today was amazing. So like at Lush, they really have their own kind of unique take on spa treatments and like the spa vibe in general. So I think each of the massages is really carefully or each of the treatments rather, it's really carefully thought through. They have so basically they take you into like the Lush kitchen before, talk you through stuff, talk you through the process of the treatment and all of that kind of stuff, make sure you're all comfortable, and then they take you to the treatment room. And yeah, I had the Karma treatment and it was amazing. Can't remember if I said this before, but it was a 4-handed treatment, so there were 2 people in the room, and they did an amazing job. It was like so carefully choreographed, like I was really impressed with how in sync they were, and in time to like the soundtrack that they had on. So mine was like very Ayurvedic, is that the word? Inspired, inspired by a trip that I think they went on with their therapists to India, and they like recorded stuff there, and that's part of the soundtrack. Yeah, it was really, really relaxing and so nice. And it came with a scalp massage, which was so nice, but that's why my hair is full of oil. So yeah, it was a proper full body massage with scalp massage. It is a pricey treatment. It is one of their pricier treatments, but it was so good. Like if you want to get someone an amazing present, I would highly recommend their spa and their treatments. I just think it was such a lovely experience. And then after you come out, there's usually something to drink or eat or taste or something like that. You can go on their website and have a look through kind of each of the kind of descriptions, because they all have like what it does for each of your different senses and all of that. And yeah, I had a nice chai tea at the end. I think it was chai tea. It was so good. It smelled, yeah, and then so the reason it's called Karma is that it has a lot of scents from the Karma Bubble Bar, which I love so much, but it also had a few extra ones, and it was just so nice. So yeah, would highly recommend, and would make a lovely gift for someone as well. They do all sorts of treatments, I think, like facials and everything, as well as massages and all of that. Just good spa stuff. So that was amazing. Thank you so much, Lush, for having me. So yay for that. I came home and Zach was like, you look like a new woman, and I think it was because I still had a bit of oil on my face, but he was like, you look so fresh. And I do feel very refreshed. But anywho, so yeah, obviously didn't get around to doing the house today because Zach was so hungover, and I've just been doing a bit of admin and stuff, emails and all of that kind of good stuff this afternoon, but I think it's 5 o'clock now. I think I'm probably going to do some reading. I need to have a shower and wash the oil out my hair. And then yeah, probably just going to do some reading and have a chill evening, which will be nice. Hang out with my pup. Okay, puppy. She's a sad girl. It is that time of year when the fireworks are truly terrorising her a little bit. Hi my love. So I am just here, just about to make a thumbnail for the video. Oh, what is going on here? I have had, yeah, a chill evening. I was supposed to do some reading earlier when I last chatted to you guys, but I ended up watching Housewives. I'm feeling kind of weird this evening. I don't know if that massage like relaxed me too much, and then obviously I had a shower when I got back upstairs and got ready, like got ready for bed at like 5 p.m. and I was just like feeling really tired and sleepy, and like I'm also feeling strangely emotional. I don't know what that's about, but maybe I'm like too relaxed. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying I feel very like chilled, almost too chilled. I think I could be in the grips of a little bit of PMS as well, because my PMS is usually brutal and it usually starts many days before my period starts, which is just awful. And so I'm feeling a little bit emotional this evening, just like a bit volatile. You guys know the feeling, I'm sure. So yes, I haven't updated you for a little while for those reasons. What day was yesterday's vlog? 29th, wasn't it? Yes, because today is the 30th and tomorrow is the last day of October. I've got to say, you guys, that I have saved some good little things for last. Promise you will do the house tomorrow. I want to get those carpets up just in the main rooms, I think. So we will do that, and then hopefully over the course of November there will be an office transformation situation going on, which will be nice, and I will vlog whatever's relevant, but also hopefully by the time that Vlogmas comes around there should be a working office at the house that Zach and I can kind of go to every day, which will be really nice. So you can hold me accountable when we get round to Vlogmas and see if that has actually happened. We've kind of got a whole month to do it, and I feel like November always feels like I've got loads of free time because you get used to squeezing everything around Vlogmas and Vlogtober. So I'm hoping that I can use that feeling to get the office done. So yes, it's not going to be a very big transformation, but I promise you we will do something to the house tomorrow. I've also got various other little things up my sleeve to talk, I'm moving around, to talk to you guys about tomorrow, but I won't hint too much in that direction. But I'm excited. Anyway, I have not had any Halloween plans this year though, which I know is a little bit sad, but the thing is I don't like doing Halloween stuff just for the sake of it really, because there are bits and bobs going on. But first of all, I am not a big dresser-upper. Considering how much I love clothes and stuff, I've just never been a big like into costumes or anything. I think because it requires like real effort and I am just lazy at my core. So I've never been a big dresser-upper, and therefore I'm never like compelled to do things for Halloween when it's not totally necessary. But yeah, can't believe that it's kind of the end of Vlogtober tomorrow. I will talk to you guys a little bit more about it tomorrow rather than right now, but I've got to say I am a wee bit tired, especially tonight, and I'm excited to relax. Anyway, you guys, what am I going to do for the rest of the day? I am just going to finish this up. What's the time now? Almost 10. Oh. I'm going to finish this up and then probably head to bed, to be honest. I might try and squeeze in a little bit of reading, even though I have been really bad and watched a lot of Housewives this evening, but I think my soul needed it, so there is that. But thank you so much for watching today, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again tomorrow for the big day. Bye, guys.